Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how to unban your Litmatch account. If you are dealing with this issue, this video will show you the steps to resolve it quickly. Litmatch may ban accounts if users violate their privacy and security policies. However, if you haven't broken any rule but still find your account banned, don't worry. These bans are usually temporary. If you want to unban your account immediately, you have two options. Option 1, you can send an email. Open Gmail and compose an email to Litmatch. Make sure you are using the email associated with your Litmatch account. Click Compose at the bottom right corner. In the Do field, type suggestion at litmatch.net. For the subject, write request to unban my account. And in the body, include your Litmatch ID and date of birth. After that, click Send, located in the top right corner. Option 2, if you don't want to wait, you can pay 100 diamonds to unban your account instantly. Open the Litmatch app and you'll see a notification about your account being banned. Right under that, you'll find an option to pay 100 diamonds. Just tap that and your account will be unbanned immediately. And that's how you can unban your Litmatch account. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.